और सुशांत पाजी सब वधिया
चंगा
और सब घर पे ठीक ठाक।
सब
और
चंगा
आप खाना वाना ठीक से खा रहे हो? सब ठीक ठाक एकदम है सब घर पे?
बहुत बढ़िया. Guys, do you relate? In a social gathering, in a party or an event, there are times we don't know how to socialize with people, how to react or respond, and we feel socially awkward. I personally am an extrovert guy. I love meeting people. I love socializing and going to parties and events. But yes, there are times when I feel put in a zone or put in a spot and I feel socially awkward. So today I'm going to share with you 5 simple tricks of converting our social awkwardness into confidence. Are you ready? Let's do this. The first step is mental preparation. Guys, try to prepare yourself mentally about the occasion or the event you think is going to make you feel uncomfortable. Try to identify what about that event or that social gathering can make you uncomfortable. Maybe it's the nature of the event. Maybe your mom, your girlfriend or your partner is pushing you to a ladies sangeet. Or maybe it's the people that you're going to meet around there. The typical uncles and aunties who are going to ask you weird questions like beta shadi kab kar rahe ho? And even if you are married, then they will ask you ki good news kab de rahe ho? So I mean, these are questions that are such a downer and put you in a spot and you feel really socially awkward. So if we prepare ourselves mentally for the occasion or the event or the kind of people we might encounter there, so we are in a much better position to not feel socially awkward. Number 2 is dress up, and dress up for the occasion. Guys, hard reality of life is that good looking guys and smartly well dressed guys are more socially acceptable than the ordinary looking guys. And when I say good looking guys, I don't mean a Hrithik Roshan or a Pierce Brosnan. I just mean that we need to be the best version of ourselves and we need to dress up for the occasion or the event. So say if I need to go to a Friday night house party and I dress up very casually for that, maybe just in a plain white t-shirt, a baggy jeans and sneakers, I'll stand out for the wrong reasons. And I might start feeling socially awkward because of that. But if I dress up for the occasion, for the party and the event, I put on a crisp shirt, I wear tapered jeans, I wear nice boots and I accessorize myself well, maybe pull a jacket over on top of it, I would look good. And when I enter that place, I would feel as if I own it. I'll feel confident. People might want to approach me and talk to me, socialize with me. So instead of feeling socially awkward in a party, all of a sudden I start feeling confident just because I'm well dressed. Third, I would say is small talk. Try to master small talk. So initially even I had a problem with small talk. I used to feel really awkward, but I think now I kind of have mastered it. So if someone says to me, hi, how are you? So instead of saying, sab badhiya, ji, I would say, I'm good, thank you. Tell me about you. Easiest way is to redirect it. If someone asks you something, just give a reply and say, ask the same thing from the other person. Another easy way out is to give compliments. We all love compliments. Just compliment. Bro, I love those shoes. Those look dope. Where did you buy them from? Maybe if you're talking to a girl, just say, wow, I saw your pics the other day on Instagram. I saw your pictures of your trip to blah, 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 blah. Tell me more about it. What did you do? You just managed your small talk. But what if the other person compliments you? So some guys don't know how to take compliments and they start blushing and they start to shy away. And that makes it really socially awkward. So if a girl compliments me about my Instagram pictures or says, wow, I saw your YouTube video and I really liked it. So I would simply say, I'm so glad you liked it. Or you're being kind, thank you. These simple one-liners can make the small talk so easy. Fourth, I would say is body language. Body language is so important, I feel. I mean, some guys, what they do is in a party or in a gathering, what they'll do is they'll just be like, put both their hands in the pocket and be like really stiff. Another thing guys do is पूरे टाइम अपने फ़ोन में रहते हैं. Again, I feel a big no-no. So if you're confused कि अपने हाथों के साथ आपको क्या करना है, whether you need to stand like this, easiest way is to hold a glass, maybe a glass of wine or like your favorite drink or whatever. I don't drink, okay, sometimes, but why I do it is a glass of wine in one hand. It looks good in the pictures, and then I have something to hold on to. What I do with my other hand is maybe I just very casually put it in my pocket with my thumb out and just go on with the conversation. Or the other thing you can do with your left hand or the other hand is just hold your wallet and your phone. So it saves you the awkward wallet bulge over here or the mobile bulge over here or here. हरप्रीत पाजी एक बार अपना फ़ोन और वॉलेट देना प्लीज़।
है जी, क्या बात कर रहे हो, एकदम लो।
हाय LV का वॉलेट 5S पे अभी
क्या करें पाजी,
EMI पैसे नहीं देते ना ज़्यादा। Right, so maybe something like this. I mean that looks fine. Or if you're not holding a wine glass, you're holding a beer or something. I mean that looks fine. Another important aspect of body language I feel is eye contact, maintaining eye contact. Imagine me doing this video like, hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you 5 simple tricks to be confident, and look into the eye of the person while you're talking. Don't come across as a creep or someone like, just break gaze and come back. If you're feeling weird looking into the other person's eye, कभी-कभी लगता है, oh my, you're looking into a person's eye and then you start getting distracted by, अरे इसका तो नाक बहुत मोटा है, इसका forehead तो काफ़ी बड़ा है, and you start feeling weird. So just look somewhere around here, just above their eyebrows. In that way, we are looking at them in an indirect way, but we are still being direct. Fifth, I would say, is laugh it off. So if anything awkward or weird happens in a party, say maybe you just trip over or you spill some wine or you just drop your cutlery, instead of start sweating or start turning red, just laugh it off. Oh my, that was awkward. I can be so bloody clumsy at times. This way you come across as a person who is confident and who can have a laugh at his own expense. Okay, so I'll share a personal experience with you here. Last year on a business trip, I went to South Korea. And I was at this fine dining place with a lot of clients and prospective clients on a big dining table. And my biggest challenge was to order something which I could pronounce, which I could eat, and which my cutlery could manage. But when I saw the menu, I think everything was just the same and मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा था मैं इसमें से क्या मंगाऊं. So I just went with something that I could pronounce. And when that dish came, it was like snake-like, hanging from my fork throughout all over my face and my plate. So I started feeling very socially awkward and I was like, oh my, what do I do now? So instead of start sweating or turning red or like feeling really weird, I just said, guys, I messed up here. I had no clue what I was ordering. I went with the picture, I liked it, and now it's turned up to be this snake-like thing and I just can't manage it. We all had a laugh about it, and all my clients and prospective clients, they shared their meal with me. What I did, I just turned a socially awkward moment into a confident one. अच्छा, बहुत बार क्या होता है that we go to a gathering with one of our friends and वहाँ पे the conversations are going in such a way that एक ऐसी बात निकल के आती है that you think that now your friend is gonna leak out something embarrassing about you. So before he does that, what you can do is you can say, guys, okay, I have a very embarrassing story about myself to share with you, and then you all can have a laugh about it. So this way what you do is you save yourself from an embarrassing moment when your friend might have shared that, and you turn it into a confident one by sharing it yourself, simply by laughing it off. So guys, if you like these simple 5 tricks, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Also feel free to follow me on my personal social media. And I really hope the next time you go out to a social gathering or a party, which of course would be once things get safe and normal. So I hope that you are really confident and you bloody rock it. हरप्रीत पाजी, पैक अप। बढ़िया हो गया?
मजा आ गया पाजी, बिल्कुल जहर ढा दिया आपने।
सब चंगा साउंड क्वालिटी बेकार होती है श्योर। चेक चेक अब क्या प्रॉब्लम समझ आता है। चेक changa. Your partner is trying to push you to a ladies sangeet. So I mean that's a weird. I mean that's yaar. Ladies sangeet, or maybe it's the kind of people you're gonna meet over there. Maybe the typical uncles and aunties who gonna क्या कर रहा है यार. Also please feel free to follow me. Fee.